Hey guys, welcome to KnowledgeBase. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a collage on your Instagram story if you've got an Android phone. Now I'm sure you've seen tutorials showing you how you can do it on your iPhone, but to do it on your Android phone it is a little bit different, so here's how you can do it. If this video helps you out, make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe. So the first thing you want to do is you need to go to the Play Store, and this is essential if you want to do this on your Android phone. You want to search for an application called SwiftKey. Now what this is going to allow you to do is it's essentially going to allow you to mimic the method that you would normally do on your iPhone. So download SwiftKey, I'm going to install it now and I'll be back once it's downloaded. So once you've got it downloaded and installed onto your phone, you want to open it up. And we're not really bothered about what this application does, we just need to enable it. So click Enable SwiftKey and then you want to just tap Enable here. Then select SwiftKey, so make sure you've selected it. And then you can click on the third one, click Not Now, and we're not bothered about any of this, so click OK, click Next, Not Now again, and you should see the SwiftKey dashboard here. Now we don't need to do anything else, we can go off the SwiftKey app, and now we can go and open up Instagram and we can start to make our own collage. So what you want to do is you want to open up Instagram, and you're going to need to basically take a picture, and you're taking a picture of like the background of your collage. So I'm going to take a picture of my laptop here, so you can see we have an all black background. Now what we can do is we can start to enter photos into the Instagram story. So to do that, you want to tap like you would do if you were typing some text, and you can see how the keyboard is different here. Now you want to click on the plus icon in the left hand corner and click on the pin. What that's going to allow you to do is it's going to allow you to create your own stickers. So click OK, then click Create. Then click Got It, and you should get a pop-up here asking SwiftKey to view your photos. Click Allow, and now they're allowed, we can go back onto the collection, click Create again, and you're going to see all of your images on your phone. Now what you can do is choose whatever image you want to upload to your Instagram stories. So I'll choose one here. So I'll choose this one. Once you've chosen the image, click on the blue button, and it's going to be on your Instagram story, and you can do whatever with that image. Then you can do the same thing again, click the pin button, click Create, you're going to get your images and you can just post whatever image. And there we go, we're now uploading multiple pictures to our Instagram story on Android, and like usual you can add text, you can add whatever you want to it, but that's how you can do it using SwiftKey, and it's that simple really. If this did help you out, make sure you leave a like, make sure you subscribe, let me know in the comment section below that it did help you out. It would really help out the video and really help out my channel. Cheers guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.